You're right, honey. This looks sort of like a bird of some type sitting there, and I guess the clouds wanted to be on the Mark Allen program today. I was just telling a joke about it was a question as to why the chicken crossed the road. The answer being because it was trying its damnedest to be on the Mark Allen program. Here's another bird formation. This one looks like it's flying towards us. Wow, would that be like an eagle or something?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's like an eagle. I see. And it's a bird kind of day today. Here's the head of another species of bird. Is that like, that's like a roadrunner. This one here, side by side. Yeah, this one
Bird.
like a bird. I've got a raindrop right here on my lids. Honey, could you get soft tissue or something? Raindrops continue to fall down. I'm pointed right at a faint rainbow. I can't get it to show up on the camera, but you can see it with the naked eye, and hoping it will take better form.